Hey guys, this is Steven Smith coming to you from MarineMax here in Houston with a brand new 2019 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. Really excited to do a quick walkthrough and show you all the great features that this boat has. You can see we've optioned it with the double Bimini, the stainless steel rods that connect to the Delta Tower back there. I wanted to do a quick touch on the storage in the front of the boat. You've got storage under every cushion on both sides. It comes out plenty of room for life jackets, any additional stuff that you have on board, safety equipment, personal stuff. You've got some recessed cup holders that have new RGB LEDs in them for this year. Everything is RGB LED this year in the Harris, inside the boat and outside the boat. Really cool. You can have any color that you want and really just pops that kind of lounging and luxury aspect of that we expect out of the Harris. The front loungers have some flip down armrests, so you can really lounge in style. You've got cup holders in those. As we move back, you've got a ski locker built into the floor here, perfect for storage of the cover or wakeboards, skis, maybe tubes, or additional life jackets. It's also got a bilge pump built in it just in case it gets some water in there. You've got these extra spaces that Harris has put in this boat for maybe fenders or some personal items and stuff. Of course, the JL Audio Premium system with double subwoofers. It's all throughout the boat. You've got speakers everywhere. 2 exits and entrances on each side, so it's really easy to dock the boat, get on and off, and actually put your fenders out and tie up without being worried about having to run to the front of the back of the boat. As we move back a little bit, you'll see they've built in storage underneath of the helm as well. Full fiberglass helm. You've got another rear-facing lounger here with a flip-down armrest, as well as storage under the back of each of these seats. As we move to the helm itself, you'll see you've got a glove box on top for wallet, phone, keys, etc. A touchscreen SIMRAD display over here, which is a chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, etc. A new JL audio head unit for this year, which really provides the premium audio experience that you're looking for. Some gauges on the dash, a new tilt steering wheel, which is upgraded for this year. Harris really knocked it out of the park with a quality boat. As we move to the back, you'll see the biggest feature in this boat that people like, which is the single rear-facing lounger, which turns the back of the boat into a really enjoyable atmosphere for family to enjoy the lake, get in and out of the boat when you're doing water sports, etc. You'll see that we've put a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. The new motor for this year really gives you that performance that you're looking for. We thank you for taking a look at this Harris 250 Grand Mariner here at MarineMax in Houston. Come see us today.